Baby girl, what is a beautiful and down lady like you doing under this hot sun? And they call me Chief Agidiba, aka importer exporter. I import everything and export everything from Addis Ababa. Hop into my Mercedes, let me give you a ride.
Thank you, I'm not interested.
You are not interested? Look at her, big for nothing. That is how they will stay 20 years. Husband will not come. You will start going from church to church looking for husband. Now that you have seen one, you will not collect. Come on, Sheba, boy.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
Hey!
Nazareth.
Young man, I am really impressed.
Thank you very much.
I mean, talking with you, gives me the confidence that my daughter is in safe hands, and she has made a right choice. I'm sorry, excuse me. The delivery guys, they are calling me to come pick up the ceremonial suits, and it's going to take me another 15 minutes to, dress up and go get this suit. I don't even know what I'll do now.
If you don't mind, I can go and pick up the suit for you. After all, it is my wedding you want to wear it for.
Oh, sweetheart. That's so sweet.
Okay. You know what? I think it's inside.
Okay,
So
let me bring it.
it's okay. Be careful. Hurry.
I don't bash my in-law motor. Hey! I don't bash my in-law motor.
Okay, they lucky you. God just saved you. You listen to Benz with this. You're very lucky.
Waiting there wrong with the car.
What you go up and be say you go bring 30K make I do am.
30,000.
Why you dey shout now? You know nothing na Benz be this.
Now look at this man, oh.
Now they shout for me. See what why they do 100K if not because say na you.
30,000 for what? Look at this.
Okay, your face show. My phone. Okay.
Hello, sir. In-law, sorry for the delay. As I was coming back from picking up your suit, the catering woman just blocked me on the road. And she said if I don't pay her 30,000, and that is the remaining balance for the cake. And so that is what I'm trying to discuss with her, that you know that today is weekend and I don't have access to my account. So if she can wait till Monday, I will sort her out. But she's insisting that I will give her the money now. You want to send me the money? But no, now, in-law, why will you do that? In-law, you have done enough. In-law, you have done enough. No, you don't have to. But if you insist, yes, if you insist, you can still send the money. It's just 30,000. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Baby, what are you here?
Don't tell me you bashed my car.
No, sir. See, I can explain. I have a proper explanation.
Oga, calm down now. Hey! Let's see happen. You hide the pain. Oga, do give me the 30,000. Time no dey make I repair this motor now. They waste my time.
You asked me for 30,000 naira for the catering services to repair my own car?
Ah, baby. How did you bash the car now? How did you bash it?
Let me tell you something.
No, but I'm going to get my... Wait a minute. You?
Deborah.
Do you know him?
Yes, Daddy.
Hey! Then you remember I told you that when I was coming to meet you and Gloria,
yes,
that one man was stopping me on the road, and because I refused to answer him, he started raining our business on me on how I will not get married in the next 20 years. That is the one.
Jesus is Lord.
Agidigba.
What nonsense!
Wait, after you bashed my car, you also rain insult on my daughter?
Agidigba.
Listen everybody. This wedding is cancelled. I can even imagine that I was supposed to give you 10 million naira to start up a business.
Hey! Next people.
Everybody, get inside the vehicle. Hey, move.
In-law.
Your father is your in-law.